You've all seen my motorcycle in the intro. I never really talked about it. Let's go over it real quick. It is a 2003 Harley Davidson Road Glide Anniversary Edition. It's the 100th anniversary in 2003. Stock, it was an 88-inch motor, is now 95-inch with cams. It's had a Baker 6-speed put in it, hydraulic clutch. It's got cams, big bore, tuner. Stock, this thing, I think, don't quote me. I will try to look it up and put it below. I think it had somewhere around 68 horsepower, I think, something like that. Last time I had it dynoed, it was 102 horsepower, 109 foot-pounds of torque. She runs pretty good. But right now what I'm doing is I've got a noise in the exhaust, and I'm pretty sure it's coming from one of these heat shields, because this pipe was I just put this pipe on there not that long ago. So I'm gonna start up and see if we can hear it. Maybe the camera will pick it up. Maybe I've already fixed it. I'm not sure. Let's see. Not here to know. Why I'm really here, what I'm really doing is I'm going on a ride tomorrow. I'll probably have, by the time the day's over, 150 miles. I know that's not some to some of you iron butt guys. But there's the problem. She is ready for replacement. Too many of these must be. But that's okay. I have one there. Brand new. But it's not, the new one is not going on until we give this a proper send off. Look at that. Blew that light right out of there. Must be when it popped.
For a while you couldn't even see anything but smoke.
I couldn't breathe for a couple of seconds.
You know, you should have told that is almost perfect, Todd.
do is warm this tire. Normally you're supposed to warm them up.
I usually like to put them in the oven.
Do you put them right in your oven?
Yeah, just warm them up a little tiny bit. Loosens that rubber right up.
What we're gonna do, and it is gonna be directional too.
Right.
Directional. So we gotta make sure brake goes on this side. So yeah, it goes on like that.
Okay, let's get your lube out.
Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this heat gun in there while I drink a beer.
Excellent idea.
Excellent idea, isn't it? Yeah, I thought you'd sweep my own. Put it on the most melty piece of plastic you have in the garage. Cram it in here.
Softens the rubber up.
And actually, if you plug it into 240, it gets way hotter. So that's what we're doing right now. No, seriously. Seriously, you're supposed to just use a hair dryer, but we just put the heat gun on low. It should be fine.
Do they literally have dates on them, Todd?
Yeah, they do.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
I don't know. It's just last year, I think. That's either May or July. I don't know what all that means, but I'm sure it's 2019.
Yeah.
Something. It's either 7, 15, 19. Yeah, see that? See, it's either May, M-A, 15, 19, or 7, 15, 19. Oh, wow.
That
It's
loosen it up?
literally going all the way around. Put your hand over here.
Oh, wow.
There you go. You got it.
Good work. Now you
Yep.
got it. Yep. There. Uno más. One for the board. Bang.
Close enough.
The only way to break in a new tire is to do it right. Alright guys, there you go. Hope you enjoyed that video. Again, if you stuck around to the end, I really appreciate it. And if you are still here, please leave me a comment rating my send-off burnout 1 to 10. So 1 being crappy, 10 being the best burnout you've ever seen. I don't expect many 10s. It's the first time I ever tried to do a burnout like that there. But it did a good job, and I was happy with it, so it was fun. So we'll see you in the next video, guys. Thanks. All right, guys. If I can't even remember, how am I going to expect you guys to remember that if you're going to be good at breaking stuff, you better damn well be good at fixing stuff.